Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to limit your CPU usage of a program in Windows Computer guys. So if any of your applications is taking too much of CPU resources, so this will very helpful guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to taskbar over here, right click on it and go to task manager, click on it. On in here you need to go to details tab over here, click on it. In here you need to select your any games or any applications or any programs you are using it. You just need to right click on it and set priority to high. Is very good for gaming and other gaming performance, that is good for high priority guys. So that click on save change priority, and for example I am doing an explorer. You having any games or any applications you want to set as high priority, you just need to right click on it and set priority. You just need to select high, or you don't want any applications to run in high priority, you just need to click low or below normal or normal or above normal guys. There is three more options there. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.